Hi honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we are going to be making a mini note card for Valentine's Day. You guys know how much I love my mini note cards. You already know that I love to create them. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this little mini card. With a few things, not a lot, just a few stickers and a few little things here and there. I think it turned out super adorable. I really love it. I love this little sticker right here from Michaels. I also added the hearts, and in the inside I added an X and O with some really sparkly hearts. And then you can maybe write a little message here if you want. These are really fun and cute to make. You can give this to your coworkers. You can give this to your family or your friends. You can add it in a Happy Mail if you want. It's really simple to create. And then on the envelope, I just basically added two of these glittery, sparkly hearts. Okay, so let's do this, babies. Let's finish creating a second note mini card. Okay, so the very first thing that I want to show you is the papers that I used for this mini note card. And I use the Martha Stewart craft paper. You guys know how much I love my Martha Stewart. Yes, baby, I love you. I have been holding this paper pad forever, and apparently I am not the only one, because according to my Instagram, I see some messages that you guys left me, and you too love this paper. So I'm going to use the heart paper that I have here. This one that has the little hearts in the front, and it also have hearts in the back. So I'm going to use this paper to create the little mini note card, okay? So what I did is I very simply just had myself a template. I used the little mini note cards from Michaels, and all I did was I used this one as a template. I basically made myself a template, and I basically cut out the note card, and that's all I did. Literally, that's all I did. If you want to create out of one 6x6 paper, you can create 2 note cards, which is perfect, because actually, you know, this is actually, I believe, 3 inches. I'm not sure, give or take 3 inches. So you can definitely create 2 note cards out of one 6x6 paper. Okay, so now that I have my little note card here, let's decorate the front, and then we're going to decorate the inside. Very simple and very easy, okay? Let me pull you in. So so the stickers that I am using for this note card is the one from Michaels. And let me see if I find it here. I think I put I put it away because I was not using it. Let me see if I find it really quickly. Hold on. Give me just 2 quick seconds. If I can find it, I will show you. If I don't have it here, okay, here it is. Here it is. I found it. Okay, so they look like this. This is the one from Michaels. I got this last year. I am absolutely in love with these stickers. I love them so much. They're so cute. And so we already used the cupcake in one of our Valentine's Day series video. We're going to use this delicious sweet treat right here along with the heart to create our little mini Valentine's Day note card. Okay, so here I have the mini note card. I have some extra papers that I got from the paper pad that I had left over when I cut these out. And what I did was I used a little piece of little square of paper, and I want to actually add this little square right over this little area of the front of the mini note card. So we're going to use some double-sided tape for this, and I decided to use the opposite side of the paper, and I'm just going to basically add it right over here in the little corner. That's all I'm going to do. giving it a nice little contrast. Okay, so once you add this little mini square to the front of your mini note card, I want to add a nice little ribbon or maybe like a lace right over this area. So I have here my wonderful vintage lace that I absolutely adore and love to use for a lot of these projects. And what I'm going to do is basically I'm just going to measure a little teensy piece that's going to go across the little square that we just added to the note card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue this lace onto the paper. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue here, here, and here. And I'm going to add it right in the front of the note card. Just like so. So when you bend this over, it's going to look so cute. You see that? How pretty that looks? Okay. Now we're going to add our sticker. So here I have the sticker that I showed you guys earlier. The only thing that I did to the sticker is I added a cute little bow right over the little tag. So I created these little bows out of the very thin ribbon from Michaels. I just hot glue a little dab of hot glue. I added the little bow, and that's all I did. I'm going to use these adorable treats, and I'm going to add this right in this corner over here. And that looks super, super cute. You see that? I love it, right? So beautiful. Okay, we're going to add the heart that also comes in this sticker set. And I'm going to add the heart roughly over this corner right here. Okay. I'm going to also add some of these glittery hearts. You guys know I am obsessed with this glitter heart from the Dollar Tree. I am obsessed. I'm using it on all my projects because I just love it so much. It is so sparkly, so beautiful. I have to use these hearts. They're just my favorite hearts to use. So I'm going to add one right in this corner over here. And I'm going to add the red one, overlapping it a little bit on the side. Tucking it right inside, just like so. And absolutely, without a doubt, this heart is my favorite. I love it. And that is how we're going to create the front of the card. You see how simple that was to create? I love it. Now let's do the inside of the card. So what we have here, again, is these sparkly hearts. So I'm going to use a red one in this particular case. In this one, I use a big pink one. I'm going to use a big red one. And we're going to use the red one and the pink one, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue this heart right in a little off the side of the note card, a little bit off, right there. And then on the bottom of this, I'm going to add a pink heart, also kind of off a little bit. And then I'm going to add another pink heart in the center of the red, just like that. And that's going to give the inside of this card such a wonderful Valentine's inspired look. Beautiful. See that? Already that looks gorgeous. Just by itself looks beautiful. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add the X and O sticker that I got. I don't recall where I got this sticker from. I want to say that I may have gotten these stickers at Target. I want to say Target, but I am not sure. So where are my stickers? Oh boy, what did I do with my stickers? Oh, they're right here, right in front of my face, Jenny. I think I got this at Target. I'm not sure. I want to use the X and the O, and I want to put this right over this little corner over here. So I'm going to put the O, and I'm going to put the X right next to that. And that's just basically going to complete the look for my note card. Now, if you want to write a little message over here, you could do that. I thought this is just such simple but so pretty to give to someone. And this can be both a woman or a man, right? Female or male. So I just love that. I love how it just looks so, I mean, it just looks so beautiful and so sparkly. And the only thing that I did besides the note card, I added, again, I already told you this, guys, earlier, but I just simply just added these sparkly hearts to the front of the note card envelope. That's all I did. And my loves, this is how you create this very, very simple, adorable note card in no time. I mean, literally no time. You saw how simple that was, right? I just love how this turned out. These stickers from Michaels are absolutely adorable. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. You can also, if you want, you can use different kinds of stickers. You don't have to necessarily use the ones that I use. Whatever you have in your stash will work perfectly fine. I hope that you enjoy watching me make these adorable note cards. I hope that you get inspired, and I hope that you guys are enjoying my Valentine's Day series. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you and have a fantastic weekend, honey bunnies. Please be safe out there. Bye.